we are bringing for the first time the voices of youth and indigenous people, recognizing that they contribute to safeguard 80% of the world's biodiversity.
IUCN will help us mobilize actions to ensure every country moves towards a nature-positive economy, transforming every element of society.
We have the opportunity to make through all the commitments that countries have been making around the world to save nature.
Our advocacy for nature-based solution is deeply rooted in our profound understanding of intrinsic and undeniable link between the human well-being and the environment.
This is a pivotal moment for us as people, for the country, and for the world.